Hi everyone. This is henna plant. People have been using the leaves of this plant for many years. Today I will talk about the propagation of henna plant, uses of henna leaves, flowers, fruits, and herbal properties of this plant. The leaves of this plant have been used since ancient times to dye skin, hair, nails, animal hides, and fur. Henna leaves are mixed with other ingredients to make tube henna, powder henna, and marketed. The color of marketed henna is beautiful dark red. Homemade henna paste is very beneficial for hair and skin. We make henna paste in our traditional way and use it on hands and hair. Making henna paste is very easy. Blend or grind a few handfuls of henna leaves to make henna paste. Henna flower also has many properties. A long time ago, perfumes were made from henna flowers. Its production has resumed in the present era. The flowers of the henna plant help relieve headaches. Mix this flower paste with vinegar. Apply it on the forehead or on the painful area. These are the seeds of this plant. The bark, leaves, seeds, and flowers of this plant are used as medicine. This plant is propagated by dry seeds. Moreover, henna plants are easily propagated by cuttings. You can also grow this plant in containers. Henna leaves have many medicinal properties. Massage of henna leaf juice and mustard oil on the neck reduces neck pain. Henna leaves reduce hair fall. Fry a few henna leaves with mustard oil in a pan on the stove. Once it cools down, use it on the scalp. It will prevent hair loss. This leaf is very useful to cure insomnia. It is possible to solve sleep problems by consuming henna leaf juice regularly every day. Henna leaves helps heal old wounds that keep coming back. Apply henna leaves on such wounds. You can make mouthwash with henna leaves. Mix henna leaves powder in water. Now use it as a mouthwash.